Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2021 Kia Sorento LX all-wheel drive featured in gravity gray exterior with a black interior. This example is offered by Lou Fusz Kia in St. Louis, Missouri with a sticker price of $32,570. As we slide down the driver's side, you can see the LED turn indicators. It's a power heated side mirror with LED turn indicator built into the mirror. Here we got a close-up of the 17-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, as well as the all-season radial tires. For additional information or to arrange a test drive, contact Josh. His contact information's right there. You can see the all-wheel drive badging in the tailgate. You also see the rear spoiler. We have a wiper and washer hidden up in there. We also get a great profile shot from the passenger side. Again, you can see the LED turn indicators there. We have LED headlamps with auto light control, LED positioning lamps, heated outside mirrors, as I mentioned, with turn indicators that are LED, daytime running lights. There's the Tiger front grille. As we dive into the interior, we have a 60/40 split fold-down second row seats, which includes the one-touch slide and fold. Third row are fold down as well with a center armrest. As we slide out of the back seat and into the front, both driver and passenger are manual seats. You can see the fabric duplicated here in the back seat, same as what we have on the driver and passenger. Very comfortable seating. Fingertip controls on your steering wheel. We have an 8-inch audio touchscreen. We'll show the functionality of that in a moment. Drive mode select, power windows. So from the back seat, you can see additional power ports for the rear occupants. All 3 rows have USB ports. Great shot of the dash from the back seat, as well as the front driver and passenger seating. You can see the drive mode select dial there. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We try to bring you as much information so you can make an informed decision. We appreciate you watching. So as we take a look at the front driver's seat, you can see the power windows, power side mirrors. Here's the fabric on the front driver and passenger seat, as I mentioned. Get another look at the center stack. We'll look at that in more detail here in a moment when we hop in the car. Instrument cluster. The Supervision 4.2 color instrument cluster. We have a tilt telescoping steering wheel. Here you can see the power side mirrors, power windows. We have lane following assist, lane keeping assist, rear occupant alert with ultrasonic sensors, driver attention warning, high beam assist, electronic stability control. Here's the 8-inch touchscreen I was mentioning. Backup camera with dynamic grid lines. The star button is really a cool feature. I know I mention it every time, but in case you haven't seen it, you can preset your buttons, the ones you use the most, so it's the most convenient for you, so you can personalize your Sorento. Here we have additional power ports as well as additional storage. Great little cubby to put personal items in, smaller items. Here you can see the drive mode select. As we punch through the drive mode select, it shows up in the instrument cluster. Again, that's a Supervision 4.2 color cluster. You can see the 5 settings for drive mode select. Forward collision avoidance assist, pedestrian detection. Here you have your glove box with all of your manuals. Remote keyless entry, Bluetooth wireless technology. So your cargo area is 12.6 cubic feet with all 3 rows up. Fold the seats down, second and third row, and you get 75.5 cubic feet of storage space. We have carpeted floor mats you can see right there. You can also see the USB ports for the third row. I already showed you for the second row. So again, all 3 rows have USB ports. Everybody has to be connected. Here we have additional storage as well as your tools. The spare tire is below, so it doesn't eliminate any of your storage space. So as far as your engine is concerned, it's a 2.5 liter GDI 4-cylinder engine producing 191 horsepower, 8-speed automatic transmission. Again, drive mode select, all-wheel drive. You get an additional ride height of 1 inch on this, and your miles per gallon on the city are 23, 25 on the highway, so it's real easy on the gas. Thanks again for watching. We greatly appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, let us know what you think. Click on the left or the right to watch next and check out the other videos, and then hit the subscribe button in the center if you haven't done so.